To a story now making the rounds on social media, an ex-soldier engaged the police in a shootout in Cumberland Meadows, Portmore, St. Catherine this afternoon. A constable was shot while the former military man was also injured. Anthony Lugg has our story.
A standoff between members of the JCF SWAT team and a man said to be an ex-member of the Jamaica Defense Force in Cumberland Meadows, Portmore, St. Catherine on Tuesday. But it didn't start here. Reports are that sometime after midday, the police received calls that an armed man was firing bullets at his neighbors.
A
policeman was shot in the process, which takes us back to the standoff. According to head of the St. Catherine South Police Superintendent Christopher Phillips, the man then ran back into the house and locked himself in with his daughter.
I understand she was at class when the incident took place, but we are happy that it's resolved in a very, despite a policeman being shot, we are happy how it unfolded. We were able to get the situation under control very quickly.
It's understood that the man eventually surrendered when his wife arrived on the scene and negotiated with him. It was then discovered that he was shot during the initial exchanges with the police. He was taken to hospital for treatment. In the meantime, the police are reporting that a firearm was recovered from the scene.
We'll be investigating to see, the circumstances under which, he has a firearm to be firing at people. Dangerously.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.